G'day, it's the Lawn Expert here. I'm out here in beautiful Freeman's Reach, just next to Windsor on the Hawkesbury River. From the driveway, from the side of the road, I want to show you the extent of the farm here. They've got a few hundred acres of buffalo, Sir Walter buffalo. This is a paddock of buffalo, Sir Walter buffalo. And you can see the way they harvest it is such that they leave a strip in between harvesting rows, and that's because buffalo, or St. Augustine as it's called in America, only has stolons or above ground runners, and so they need to leave that little strip to allow the grass to propagate backwards. And so you can see that this has been harvested maybe 2 months ago, and it's got another month or so before it's fully covered, and then they can start harvesting again.